Good day everyone. Welcome to BPED TV channel. For now episode, we are here at mini forest at Zamboanga, Abong-Abong, Zamboanga City. For now, I'm going to give you information or discuss about the importance of our forest. Before we enter our forest, I'm going to introduce you my partner to discuss about or to remind us about our healthy protocols.
Okay, thank you, partner. So I will show you step by step of safety protocols. So step number 1, always wash your hands 2 to 3 minutes. Step number 2, if you always cough, cover your mouth with tissues or towel. Step number 3, always observe social distancing to prevent COVID-19. Step number 4, before leaving the house, don't forget to wear your face mask. That's all, and keep safe.
Hello, welcome back. So for now, we are entering the in the mini forest. So you can see, there's a lot of garbage there that you can see. Oi, partner, what are you doing there?
I'm cleaning.
So my partner is started to clean. For now, we pick up the some of garbage there. So we started to clean to preserve the beauty of our forest. Now start. Wow, there's a lot of plastic. Partner, stop.
Here, partner.
There. Clean.
Clean.
So for now, I'm encouraged some of young people to discipline, to clean everything, not only for the forest but everywhere when they can see some of pieces of garbage.
So, I'm reminding all the youth, just not play the Android or gadget phones. So, let's help our Mother Nature to prevent floods.
How do you feel that you are part, that you are preserved, you are part to preserve the cleanliness of our forest?
First of all, I was so happy because there's still a group of people that still showing care to our forest and showing love to our forest. I was so happy that I helped to preserve our forest, and because this is very important to us as a human being, because this forest give us oxygen and everything resources that we need in our daily life.
Wow, thank you, sir, for your concern. And hey, sir, I have some questions for you. That how will you going to express that you are one of the volunteers to preserving the cleanliness of our forest?
So, sir, I'm very grateful that I participate this program because it helped us to preserve the cleanliness of our forest, and it's making me feel happy because there's too much also people that help us, like Mr. Jeremy, which is help us also to clean, and I think that's the best part, which is the people are helping each other to clean this forest.
Hello, everyone. For now, we're going to goodbye and say that I hope you are learned something.
I'm calling all this just not to watch our video, just to inspire more people, and just not by doing talk and doing by work. That's all, and hope you'll be happy to our episode. Thank you. Keep
And
safe
God
and
bless.
God bless.